Good morning, children. Welcome to your Tech Talk Computer Studies. In our previous class, we are talking about the parts and functions of a computer. And for the first assignment, I've given you an activity. Do you still remember? An activity to label the different parts of the computer. Alright, let's see if you're correct or not. The first one is CPU, right? Mouse, okay. Keyboard. Fourth one, speaker. And the fifth one, monitor. Well done. So you are well aware of the computer and its parts. Now let us know more about the computer. Here is an IPO process. The first one is input, that is keyboard. Process is in the middle, that is central processing unit, CPU. And the last one is output, that is monitor. So today we are going to learn about hardware and software. Can you tell me what is hardware? Can you tell me what is hardware? What is it? The physical parts of a computer are called hardware. You can see and touch all hardware parts. Hardware can be further classified as: the first one is input device, that is keyboard and mouse. Next, processing device, that is CPU. And the last but not the least, output device, that is monitor and printer. Some hardware parts like keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, speakers are visible outside the CPU box. Other hardware parts are present inside the CPU box, like hard disk, RAM, CD drive, SMPS, and motherboard. The last one is motherboard. For your information, SMPS means switched mode power supply, that it supplies power to all the devices present inside the computer. Software. Software is a set of instructions that tells hardware what to do. It is shown on the desktop in the form of an icon. You can neither touch nor feel a software. Types of software. There are two types of software. They are application software and system software. Now, application software. Application software programs are designed for specific purposes. Some commonly used application software are given below. Paint is a software used for drawing and coloring pictures. Adobe Photoshop is used for creating and editing pictures. MS Word is a word processor software used for writing and editing text. Windows Media Player is a software used for watching movies. Now, system software. System software runs the application software. System software controls and manages your computer. When you start your computer, the first software to run is a system software called operating system, OS. Now, Windows 7 is the most popular operating system. Windows 8 is the latest operating system. Okay, now Let me ask you a question. Which one is correct? The first one. Can you see the picture? Can you tell me what is it? There are three options. A. MS Word. B. Paint. C. Media Player. Okay, correct. It is Paint. Number 2. A. Hardware. B. Software. C. Humanware. What is that? Yes, hardware. 3. The first one is desktop. Second is buttons. Third is icons. What is the correct answer? Well done. That is icons. Now for more information, let's discuss about the classification of hardware as input and output devices. Input devices. An input devices is used to send data or information to CPU. It helps humans to either interact with or control the computer. Keyboard. Keyboard is the most common type of input device. It has 104 keys. They are alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, arrow keys, enter key, and many more. Mouse. It is interact with the computer through a process known as point and click. A mouse can be wired or a wireless. Scanner. It is an input device that is used to transfer images or text from books or paper into a computer. Joystick. Joystick is an input device often used to control video games. Microphone. It is used to record our voice on different sounds into a computer. Webcam. It is an input device connected to the computer and can capture, photograph, and videos. Webcam are more often used to live stream videos or perform video chats. Output devices. Output device receives data or information from the CPU. So, using the output devices, a computer can interact with the human. Monitor. It is an output device that displays data from a computer into screen, so the user can interact with the data. Printer. It is used to print the textual pictures or paper. It can print both in black and white or color. A printed copy on the paper is called a hard copy. Headphone. They are used to listen to music as well as record sounds without disturbing others. Speaker. It allows us to listen to music and hear sound effects stored in a computer. Storage devices. These devices are used to store data in the computer. We can store photos, games, songs, and many more in them. The computer has many types of data storage devices. Let us learn about them. Hard disk. It is the main storage device in a computer. There are two types of hard disk. Fixed hard disk. It is fixed inside the CPU box of the computer. It is also called an internal hard disk. Portable hard disk. It is small in size and easy to carry anywhere. It can be attached externally to the computer. It is also called an external hard disk. Pen drive. It is a small portable device used to store data. It can store data for a long time. We can store and delete data on it many times. Nowadays, it is the most safe and widely used storage device. CD stands for compact disc. It is circular in shape. Now I'm going to give you an assignment, learning by doing. Let's read out the question. Find an input device that is used to record your voice on a computer. Draw and name the device. Do you still remember? Alright, let's have a discussion for your assignment by answering the question. The question is, a dash is used to record our voice into a computer. Recall back what you have watched. Okay, it is a microphone. Draw nicely and you will submit your assignment on Monday. Thank you.